Okay then, we are back at the big one. We are back at Birmingham International. So, I'm gonna just get set up down here, and first thing I need to show you is something that has just gone flying through the station that I couldn't get the main tripod set up for in time. There's some sprinters going out over there. Yeah, we're on the upside, so should be able to get some good stuff, but flying through the station about 4 minutes ago, but for you is about to come through just now, is 66725, working for Lima 68, passing 2 minutes late from Birch Coppice GBRF to London Gateway GBRF. Okay then, and now we are up to speed with that. Let's get going properly. So, first regular action of the session will be 7:30:041 as it arrives working and terminating 3 minutes late with 2 Indigo 60 from Rugeley, Trent Valley.
Yeah, your usual.
Please do not leave your luggage unattended on the station. Luggage left unattended may be removed without warning or destroyed or damaged by the security services. We are sorry that the 1616 Avanti West Coast service to Birmingham Street is delayed by approximately 17 minutes.
Well, these
This
fill
is
out.
due to a speed restriction because of
Rainproof.
severe weather
These
earlier
fill out
today.
your pocket.
We apologise for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you.
Well, I tried to put a bit of charge in before I came. You'll have to see if they
Platform 2 for the 1604.
Okay then, arriving in next, we will see...
Birmingham New Street.
Let's have a look.
Calling at Birmingham New Street.
Arriving in next will be
Full of 8 coaches.
350-120 and 350-114, arriving in with 1 Yankee 41, 9 minutes late from London Euston to Birmingham New Street.
350.
Yeah.
Get something from the chicken when you get to the station. Quite busy. Not full of
Arriving in with the first cross-country action of the session is 221-121, working 1 Oscar 22, and the 1616 cross-country service from Manchester Piccadilly through to Bournemouth. And departing out next to him is 350 120 and 350 114. Still carrying that delay of 9 minutes. And here he goes.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 1616 London Northwestern Railway service to London Euston via
And arriving in next to the Voyager 221121 will be 350-260 and 350-101, working 1 Yankee 54, arriving in 1 minute late from Birmingham New Street through to London Euston.
Wolverton, Milton Keynes Central, Bletchley, Lake Buzzard and London Euston. This train is formed of 8 coaches. Has been cancelled. This is due to severe weather. Avanti West Coast apologises for the disruption to your journey today. For customers travelling to London Euston, your next direct Avanti West Coast service is now expected to be the 16:33 to London Euston, departing from platform 4.
And he departs out bang on time.
Platform 3 for the 16:21 London Northwestern Railway service to Rouge.
Departing out next for West Midlands Railway, as seen on platform 3, will be 7:30:041, working 2 Hotel 65 and the 16:21 West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham International to Rugeley, Trent Valley.
He worked on the steam trains to start off, which is where he got his cancer from his asbestos.
May I have your attention, please, on platform 4? We are sorry to announce that the 16:28 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston has been cancelled. This is due to severe weather. Avanti West Coast apologises for the disruption to your journey today. For customers travelling to
Next stop, we should see the arrival of...
West Coast service is now expected to be
let's have a look.
16:33 to London Euston.
Yeah, arriving in next 16 minutes late for Avanti West Coast. We should see 390-127 as it works 9 Golf 28 from London Euston to Birmingham New Street. So,
Service is now
let's
expected
finish
to
up
be
at Birmingham International because passing
Glasgow Central
with our final action due to the time of my train will be 66-782 working 6 Bravo 26 Tunstead Sidings GBRF to Rugby Up Sidings Virtual Key.
Avanti West Coast service to Birmingham New Street is delayed by approximately 25 minutes.
And here is to finish us up 350-117 and 350
Platform 3 for the 16:34
124
Railway
working 1 Yankee
calling at Birmingham New
4-3 from London Euston to Birmingham New Street, 5 minutes late, and as that is arrived in, that is a good session at Birmingham International done.